Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to show you how you can deactivate your account on X or Twitter. So if you feel you want to or bored with X or Twitter, you want to delete your account, you want to deactivate your account, it's very easy to do it. Just tap on your profile picture and go to the settings and privacy. Here you can tap on your account options, and as you can see, this is the last option, deactivate your account. So this will deactivate your account. You're about to start the process of deactivating your X account, so you can learn about what else you should know. And after you learn and after you 100% want to delete or deactivate, you can tap on deactivate. Feel free to try. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to comment, like, and subscribe. And also click the next button below. See you in the next video.